In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your following list on Instagram. So if you want to hide your following list on Instagram, this video will show you the exact steps you need to follow. So first, what you need to do is to open your Instagram app, wait for it to load, and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, what you need to do is to go to your profile. So click on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now after that, look at the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines or the hamburger menu. And so once you click the hamburger menu, scroll down and under for professionals, click on account type and tools. Next, what you need to do is to click on account type. And in here, under your account, click switch account type and tap on switch to personal account. So when you switch to a personal account, you will lose access to in-app insights and insights from all your content, including your promotions. So you'll also lose access to Meta Business tools like Meta Business Suite and Ads Manager. Now, if you understood that, tap switch to personal account to confirm. Now your account is changed to personal and only your approved followers will see your following list. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.